Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, so I'm on to something. I've been doing some cake decorating bags with tips and using the consistency of my straight pour mix. And what I did differently than my first time using the piping bag was I held the tip in place. And what happens is the paint pulls up and actually comes above this tip, so the paint is spilling out underneath of that paint. So it's kind of churning, which is probably why I get that same effect when I'm pouring from up high. The paint is churning. But I can do this on a small canvas. So when I'm pouring from the measuring cup, I don't get the same effect on a small canvas because I wind up with a big center and all my cells pour off the edge. But doing it this way, I've been able to do it on a 10 by 10, which I've not been able to do yet. So I'm psyched. We're gonna play. I have here the number 96 tip. Don't know if you can see that. It's like a whipped cream type tip. And I will take a cup. I will twist the bag just above the tip and bend it up. And then place that in the cup. Actually, let me fold over first. This is easier. So fold it over a little bit, twist, tuck it in, and then pull the bag over top. And now you can pour it right into the bag. This is what I do when I'm icing a cake. I'm thinking I might be able to get my opal effect. So if I start with white, that will be the first color that spills out. And the colors that come out after it will go underneath of it. So maybe I can get that effect going. So I'm going to do white and then silver. Purple. Blue. Magenta. Yellow. Orange. This is a lot of paint. And some gold. I don't think I did any green, did I? Let's just do it. Okay. I'm going to lay down a bit of a base coat to give my paint something to slide around on. So now I'm gonna unfold the top and get a grip on that. And while I'm holding that, I will reach in and grab the tip, maintaining control. I want to aim for the center of the canvas. Okay. So far, so good. I like how the paint has gone underneath of that white. Pop any bubbles. Tilt very slowly. If you tilt slowly, when you catch those edges, you can stretch those cells out. They will stretch back out. If you tilt too quickly, you will pop those cells. Not what you want. You want to be very conscious of the weight of your paint, how you're tilting. You want to recenter the weight of your paint before changing direction. And the more I stretch, the more cells will pop up. But you still want to be mindful of your composition. That's looking kind of opal-y to me. So I'm gonna let this sit for a couple of minutes, and I think more cells will pop up in that white. Okay, here it is. It's not quite dry. It has shifted a bit. There weren't more cells that popped up there. So apparently my island is more level on one side than another. So when I am adjusting my level, I will have to adjust it for where my painting will be drying, not where I'll be pouring. So I just learned that. Learn something new every painting. All right, thank you so much for watching. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And I hope you all have a beautiful day. And go make some art.